Zhengzhou Yunda started the construction of the expansion project, the Yunda Intelligent Factory. On August 28, 2023, Zhengzhou Yunda started the construction of the expansion project, the Yunda Intelligent Factory project. Leaders from the municipal government, Yunda and the construction company attended the ribbon-cutting ceremony. As a key project of Zhengzhou City in 2023, this project will be built to a modern intelligent factory with the integration of research and development, pilot plant, manufacturing and services. The expansion of the Yunda Intelligent Factory project includes the construction of the intelligent laser raw material cutting line, the intelligent welding line, the intelligent compound turn milling line, the intelligent painting line, the intelligent 3D warehouse, the intelligent AGV transfer robots, MES system, ERP system, PLM system, WMS system, SRM system, OA system and a pilot plant, etc. The construction area of this new factory will be 21,666 square meters with a planned total investment of 268 million renminbi. After the completion of this project, the new factory will deliver in each year 500 sets of stock preparation systems and 150 sets of reject handling system. The new factory is planned to be completed and put into operation in September 2024, which will then realize an annual production value of 800 million renminbi with a taxation of more than 100 million renminbi. Meanwhile, it will drive the development of the surrounding related supporting industries and increase the number of employment under the dual carbon strategy of China's pulp and paper industry. Machinery for this business area will be developed in the direction of green and low carbon, intelligent manufacturing, and efficient resources consuming, in order to further supply to the customers who are from pulp and paper industry with green manufacturing system solutions. Yunda has been sticking to the business philosophy of devotes to professional, focus on research and innovation, specialty and sincere, together with you for joint success. And will provide in the future to the customers all over the world with more energy-saving, efficient and intelligent systematic solutions, such as ICTMP high-yield pulping system, IOCC stock preparation system, ITSP tissue machine stock preparation system and reject automatic sorting system.